about the Ramly beef burger patty and its strategic fit within the Ramly supply chain. This presentation is prepared for the BMIW 3633 Business Process Integration course under Prof. PS Dr. Wan Hasrul Nizam. So, our group member are Muhammad Firdaus bin Shukri, which is me, and my teammate is Muhammad Hafiz bin Khairul Nizam. So, for introduction, the Ramly beef burger is one of Malaysia's most popular halal frozen products. It is widely used in household, supermarket, and burger stores. It is made from halal beef, flour, seasoning, binders, and additives. The production process involves mixing the ingredients, forming the patties, freezing, and packaging because it is a frozen product. So, Ramly depends heavily on a strong cold chain system to maintain freshness and quality and food safety. So, for product processing requirement, to produce the patty, Ramly needs key ingredients such as minced halal beef, starch or flour, seasoning, soy protein or egg powder as a binder, and other additives. The most important requirement is the cold chain without proper freezing from factory to retailer. The patty's quality can easily be affected. So next, product structure. So this slide shows the overall structure of the patty, which is include the raw material processing, stages, and final packaging. So product. So next, Hafiz.
Okay, for the product strategy fit, the beef patty is considered a functional product. It has stable demand, a simple recipe, and predictable production. Functional product require a supply chain that is efficiency, reliable, cost-effective, and halal compliant, for all of which match Ramly existing supply chain capability. Okay, next. Okay, why it fit Ramly supply chain? Okay, Ramly has a stable raw material, sourcing, and large-scale production capacity. There also has a strict halal procedure and a strong cold chain distribution system. These factors make the beef patty an excellent fit for their supply chain. The next. Potential halal beef. This is a bill of material that are used to make a patty. Okay, next. Okay, this is a potential supply tier overview. There has a 5-tier level. For firstly is tier 3. Start with tier 3. There are cattle farmer. For the Ramly gets their raw beef. Then go to tier 2 for the halal certified slaughterhouse. Next, tier 1 for the ingredient supplier like flour, spice wool seller. And for the manufacturer is Ramly Food Processing Sdn Bhd. They conduct mixing, foaming, and freezing packaging. And lastly is downstream as the retailer and food service. Okay, next. Okay, for the potential supplier selection, potential halal beef supply include AA Co from Australia, Midfield Meat International, and TH Global Livestock locally. Other ingredients can be supplied by companies such as Malayan Flour, Mills, Uhab, CJ Selecta, and Carry Ingredient. For packaging, supplier included Syntex and Daibochi. Okay, next. As a conclusion, the Ramly beef patty aligns perfectly with Ramly's efficient and halal-focused supply chain. The stable ingredient supply, strict processing requirement, and strong cold chain support ensure a consistent quality and customer trust. This strong strategic fit also enhance Ramly's long-term competitiveness. I think that's all from me.
And
Thank
that's all from me too. Thank you.